bought this to go over my Jeep Grand Cherokee, and they said it was a really simple installation. We have no space in our Jeep right now. We have 2 kids and a dog, and whenever we're traveling, it's a pain. So the way these work is there are teeth right here, grooves. So if you have a groove system on the top of your Jeep Grand Cherokee, these teeth will just bite into it, and then you'll tighten it and it will hold in really firm. So I'll show you how easy it is to do. First thing before you start is you just open this up and you pull this piece of plastic out. I do it when you're on the ground. Makes it really easy. Here's a little tip. When you're loosening them, get the nut on the bolt right at the edge. That way the teeth really hang out pretty far, or else it's gonna be, or it's not gonna be that easy to latch on to the top of your Jeep. All right, once you get it in there, you just wanna make it nice and straight. I'm just eyeballing it. And you'll just wanna tighten both of these. There it is. It's nice and tight. Last thing I'm gonna do is put this plastic strip in it. There's the final product. It is nice and solid. And if I wanted to move this up a little bit more, then I could just loosen this a little bit and it'll slide in its groove and I could tighten it. Well, this is pretty good. So here's the final product. You can see both of them on there. They're really nice and secure. So highly recommend this product. It's really affordable and it does its job. That's all we're looking for. Thanks all.